What's going on, guys? Figured I'd make this quick video for you guys to really identify how to install the USR turbo blanket or the PTP turbo blanket. I got this from USR. This is badge number 180. Close enough to 177, which is my Type R badge number. Got this a long time ago, but I'm finally installing it. So I wanted to show you guys at least my method of how I'm installing it, because it's not really clear. There's no real videos online of how to actually install this thing. There's many different ways you can do it. As you can see, I've taken basically everything off for different reasons. I'm changing all of it anyway. You don't have to take everything off. You have to take the intake runner off. You have to take a couple things off. But with these right here, very easy to kind of thread through and go under. So as you can see, I already kind of put it on top here. So I already put it kind of where it belongs, right up there. And then I'm going to just kind of make sure this is threaded through here so that I can grab it on the other side. So this comes with the PTP blanket. They provide that. So I'm just gonna thread this through the bottom here, over, just go under the woods. Just kind of see it. A flashlight helps, by the way. This is a great flashlight. All right, so that's gone through there. So after this has gone through there like that, you can just go ahead and start placing the blanket where you think it kind of belongs. It helps to wear a glove because this is very abrasive. So make sure you wear gloves. There we go. Well, I guess I gotta thread it from some other. Okay. There we go. Make sure that's because I need to use this to remount everything I need to remount. So let's not cover that. All right, so you see. Let me take this and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Again, this is going to be a short, unedited video. This is just to help you guys out. So as you can see, I kind of took this string and I made sure I went right under there. Just basically just threaded through there. Gone through there. There it is. It's not string, it's metal. And then with the metal, I already went around. And as you see that little post right there, I have to make sure it's nice and tight. And then I'll go ahead and thread it there. And this is from the other post. I'll go ahead and thread it right there. Right here. So let me go ahead and do that.